Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 22, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The all-share price index closed at 20,649.20, dropping 66.29 points or 0.32%, while the S&P SL 20 declined 18.65 points, settling at 6,089.84, down 0.31%. The total market capitalization stood at 7,264.17 billion rupees. Total market turnover for the day was 5.09 billion rupees. Crossings contributed 1.92 billion rupees, with the highest crossings recorded in Hatton National Bank and Sampath Bank. Domestic investors dominated the market, with purchases totaling 5,004.17 million rupees, accounting for 98% of total buying activity. Foreign investors contributed the remaining 2%, with purchases of 89.07 million rupees. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded 5,035.12 million rupees, making up a substantial 99% of total sales, while foreign sales were limited to 58.14 million rupees, representing just 1%. Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. Leading the list was SMB Finance, non-voting, with strong upside momentum. Next, Maharaja Foods posted notable gains on steady buying interest. Tangerine Beach Hotels advanced, supported by renewed interest in leisure counters. Ceylon Tea Brokers moved higher amid sector-focused accumulation. Rounding out the list, Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust gained on selective institutional demand. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Kerner House Global Solutions led the declines, followed by Tess Agro, which saw notable selling pressure. The Autodrome also slipped, reflecting weaker sentiment. Lofts Gas moved lower on profit-taking, and finally, Solinco Holdings closed the day in negative territory. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Hamas Holdings led the way, making the strongest positive impact. This was followed by Cargill's Ceylon, which added further support to the index. Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust also contributed positively, alongside Royal Ceramics Lanka, which saw steady buying interest. Finally, Richard Pieris & Company rounded off the list of top contributors. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. Solinco Holdings recorded the biggest drag on the index. Commercial Bank of Ceylon and DFCC Bank also weighed down market performance. In addition, Carson Cumberbatch and Melstacorp added to the day's negative contribution. Thank you.